The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil emergency message which is for Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 for any information. This is an emergency situation. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Repeating, this is an extremely dangerous situation. A civil emergency message means that a civil emergency is happening in the supervisory area or the message area. Alert in the alert area. The warn area is not. The civil danger warning will be coming up in a few 9 minutes. Please stand by for the civil danger warning, but it's not going to come off yet. Repeating, it's not going to go off. A civil emergency message is issued for Robert Sharkson. Sharkson, age is 6. His age is 6. He's always a shark-like. He doesn't have skin. He has really sharp teeth. One fin lost. One fin broke. And also as well, he was born on January 16, 2014. He is 7 years old. Born in January 24. Beep. 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 That's The following message is transmitting at the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a civil danger warning, now in effect until 4:45 a.m. Plainville Standard Time, Monday, December 13, 2021, at 5:47 at 5:48 on December 12, 2021 has reported Robert Sharkson. If you see Robert Sharkson, call 911 or call the Mikesburg Shark Department at 811-996-44445.
Miles east of Junior.
9991-9999. The National Weather Service in the Plainmobile City area has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Plainville City County, southwestern Plainville County, southwestern Red Rock County, southwestern Orangeville County, southwestern Yellowville County, southwestern Greenville County, southwestern Louisville County, southwestern Purcellville County in Plainville City, and southwestern Pulaski, Clinton, and Pacific in Plainville City until 6:15 p.m. Well, it's not 6:15, it's 6:30 p.m. Plainville Standard Time. We cannot rule out tornadoes. Hazard tornadoes and 3 and 2. Source radar indicated rotation. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued for all Plainville City, effective until 6:30 p.m. course, the 1058X HC towns. The National Weather Service in the Playable City area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for all Playable City, including the following areas: Playable City, Flamerville, Riverville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purpleville, Plush City, Clinton, and Pacific counties until 6:45 p.m. 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles per hour southwest of Playable City, 25 miles southwest of Playable, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour, hazard 60 miles. This is a very dangerous storm, has an 80 miles per hour wind gust, and 3-inch hail. Source radar indicated impacts. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of impacts include Mikesburg Heights, Mikesburg East, Playable City East, Mikesburg East, City East, Plainville East, Plainville City East, Plainville City Heights, Plainville City Heights East, City Heights, and Uglytown Heights. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Plainville Standard Time for the following counties: Plainville City, Plainville City, Plainville, Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Plush City, Clinton, and Pacific. Plainville City. Plainville Standard Time. Takes forever. No. No! It's a real warning. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 604, which is in effect until 11 p.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties: Playable City, Plainville, Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purpleville, Plushley, Clinton, and Pacific. Playable City. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for producing tornadoes. 1.6 inches of 3.03-inch hail and damaging winds up to 105 miles per hour expected with this tornado watch area. Repeating, a tornado watch has been issued until 11 p.m. Monday for the following counties: all Playable City.
Taking charge.
Of course, the 1058X HC towns. The National Weather Service in the Playable City area has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for all Playable City, including the following areas: Playable City, Flamerville, Riverville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Purpleville, Plush City, Clinton, and Pacific counties until 6:45 p.m. 6:30 p.m. At 5:55 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles per hour Southwestern Plano City, 25 miles. Southwestern Plano, northerly northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. This is the very dangerous storm. Hazard, 80 miles per hour. Gust. Wind gust in 3-inch hail. Surge radar indicated impacts. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of impacts include Mikesburg Heights, Mikesburg East, Plano City East, Mikesburg East, City East, Plainville East, Plainville City East, Plainville City Heights, Plainville City Heights East, City Heights, and Uglytown Heights. Repeating this, severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Plainville Standard Time for the following counties: Plainville City, Plainville City, Plainville, Redville, Orangeville, Yellowville, Greenville, Blueville, Pulaski, Clinton, and Pacific. Plainville City. Plainville Standard Time. Takes forever. No. No! It's the real warning. Catastrophic danger warning. Robert Ayers fault. The following message is transmitting on the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department has issued a catastrophic danger warning for all of Plano City, all of Uglyville, all of Donerville, and all of Cricketville, effective until further notice. The following message is transmitting on the request of the Mikesburg Police Department. The Mikesburg Police Department respected Robert Ayers to kill everybody in 75 hours. 75 hours. Repeating, Robert Ayers will be killing people in 75 hours. This is an destructive storm. This is an extremely dangerous, life-threatening, and killing situation. Robert Ayers. I will put you and eat you all. Sorry for trapped in your cellular system. I will kill everybody, eat everybody, and bite everybody.